term clamps covers a lot of territory. Some clamps have special applications in the workshop, making them even more valuable to any woodworker. First up is the venerable hand screw clamp. Available in a wide variety of sizes, hand screw clamps provide positive pressure along the length and face of the clamp on both sides. Excellent for aligning boards for a glue-up or easily used as a stop on a fence. They also add a level of security when working with smaller pieces near cutting tools, and can add an extra hand when supporting longer workpieces. In general, hand screw clamps are as versatile as your imagination and a great addition to any modern shop. You may not think of our next item as a clamp, but that's what it is. Available in a wide variety of lengths, the mechanism underneath clamps across a workpiece with enough force to hold the aluminum straight edge in place. Perhaps not enough clamping pressure for a glue-up, but excellent for guiding circular saws, jigsaws, routers, and much more. And the T-track extrusions along the top edge allow for the addition of other shop helpers, such as a fence for your bandsaw. When it comes to clamping odd shapes, there's one reliable answer: a band clamp. The 23-foot adjustable band is tightened with great pressure in a large circle. Corner blocks can be used to tighten against corners, or the band itself can brace against rounded corners or even cylindrical objects. You'll know when you need a band clamp. Another specialty clamp is a toggle clamp. These are integral in jigs and fixtures throughout a workshop and are available in a variety of sizes, shapes, and mountings. And last on our list is a very specialized clamp. An adjustable frame clamp provides even pressure on the four corners of any frame. As an extra benefit, the contact on the frame is so slight that you can reach in to pin a corner without fuss. Make sure your shop has all the specialty clamps you'll need for your special project.